may look like child's play, but it's actually environmental protection in action in Swiss schools, learning about waste, what can be avoided and what can be recycled. It's a lesson in the awareness that, as part of the environment, we're always part of the problem. In densely populated Switzerland, awakening this sensibility at an early age has led to some of the world's strictest legislation to preserve the ground, water and air as natural habitats.
Legislative pressures have created a successful industrial sector which uses its broad technical expertise to put concepts for the prevention and disposal of waste and harmful substances into action. The products and services on offer range from high-tech individual components to the engineering and construction of large and complex facilities that can literally turn a city's waste output into steam. These ultra-modern urban incineration plants burn 100% of all household waste and must, by law, have a 3-phase fume filter. Any remaining solids, such as ash, filter dust, and sludge, are subject to rigorous treatment and disposal regulations.
Even in clean Switzerland, waste dumps haven't always met today's safety requirements. Some 3,000 of the sites identified by the environmental authorities as risks must be cleaned up to comply with legislation on contaminated ground. Here, too, tough rules have laid the foundations for new technology. Harmful substances are separated out of contaminated ground using a wet mechanical process so that the soil can be used normally once again.
The unchecked growth of special electrical and electronic waste and associated legal pressure has led to a commercial collection and disposal concept. New material separation solutions are generating considerable added value on items that pose waste disposal problems.
The quality of water that comes out of taps in Swiss homes is among the best in the world. In addition to strict laws protecting water resources, this quality is due to the advanced technology used in a nationwide network of mechanical and biological wastewater treatment facilities. 99.7% of all households are served by plants of this type.
A key area of focus in the treatment of water for drinking and industrial uses is the substitution of chlorine with environmentally friendly ozone. Here, a Swiss company leads the world.
The clean separation of reusable materials from undesirable pollutants is essential to maintain the materials cycle at a high level. Switzerland leads the world in PET recycling with an 80% return rate. What is gathered throughout the country in 36,000 containers at 12,000 collection points is not incinerated, but instead processed into a quality recycled material that makes both ecological and economic sense.
A forward-looking Swiss innovation is proving that even normal grass can provide the source material for a new biotechnological process. The procedure makes it possible to turn 1 ton of a dry plant fiber-based substance into some 200 liters of industrial alcohol, or the same volume of methane gas, 200 kilograms of animal feed protein, and 400 kilograms of technical fiber. As an attractive alternative to undesirable overcapacity in agriculture, the project enjoys federal environmental technology support. It will mean that agricultural areas growing mixed grasses can be used simply for the biorefining process.
Switzerland has a long and closely held tradition of active environmental protection. Laws are stricter and more rigorously applied than in other countries. The global export success of advanced Swiss environmental technology is building on this lead.